This new nice place in Tanay serves good food. At hindi lang yon, while you enjoy the food and the nice ambiance, you will be greeted by this beautiful view. Hey Jarelskis! Napadrive talaga kami to Tanay Rizal to experience Lanai by Annabelle's. The place was a vibe, perfect for gathering of friends and family. For starters, we got their mushroom chicharon. This comes with their signature vinegar. The enoki mushrooms could have been more crispier and crunchier sana. But taste-wise, okay naman siya. This is their crispy palabok with shrimp skewers. Good savory taste of shrimp, squid, tapos yung tinapa. Hindi siya malansa, not too salty. Tapos good textures with that crispy vermicelli noodles. Tapos ang lalaki pa ng shrimp and serving. Ito naman yung sinugba at dinuguan. Basically, inihaw na liempo with that dinuguan sauce. Medyo fatty lang yung pork liempo, but the roast taste and the dinuguan was a good combination. Good to pair it with some plain rice. As a kare-kare stan, hindi nawawala ang order ng kare-kare. Generous yung serving, flavorful yung peanuts too. Good to top it on the rice, add some bagoong, and it's a sure flavor bomb. Talaga